Is your car's fuel economy getting worse? Is the engine running rough or feeling underpowered? Before you start replacing big parts, you should check a small but critical component, the oxygen sensor or O2 sensor. This small part plays a huge role in managing your fuel mixture, emissions, and engine performance. When it starts to fail, the signs can sneak up on you until you're wasting fuel, losing power, or even damaging your catalytic converter. Today, we'll cover the top 7 signs your oxygen sensor is failing and why you shouldn't ignore them. Sign number 1, poor fuel economy. The O2 sensor measures how much oxygen is in your exhaust and adjusts the air-fuel mix. If it fails, the engine can run too rich, burning extra fuel, and you'll notice you're filling the gas tank more often. Sign number 2, rough idle or misfires. When the oxygen sensor fails, it throws off the balance between air and fuel. The engine might idle roughly, hesitate when you press the gas, or even misfire, especially when accelerating. Sign number 3, the check engine light turns on. One of the most common reasons for a check engine light is a faulty oxygen sensor. If you use a scan tool and see codes like P0130, P0133, P0150, or P0153, those often point directly to an O2 sensor problem. Sign number 4, increased emissions. If you live where emissions tests are required, a bad O2 sensor can cause your car to fail inspection. It can also harm your catalytic converter by allowing too much unburned fuel into the exhaust. Sign number 5, loss of engine power. If the car feels weak or sluggish, the ECU might be getting bad signals from the oxygen sensor, causing poor throttle response and reduced engine output. Sign number 6, strong fuel smell from the exhaust. When the O2 sensor stops working properly, it can cause a rich fuel mixture, sending extra gas into the exhaust and creating a noticeable fuel smell around the tailpipe. Sign number 7, catalytic converter damage. Ignoring a bad oxygen sensor can overheat and ruin the catalytic converter, one of the most expensive parts to replace on your car. Fixing the sensor early can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What should you do next? First, use a diagnostic scan tool to confirm the problem. If you get an O2 sensor code, inspect the wiring and connections. Sometimes it's just a loose or damaged wire. If the sensor itself has failed, replace it with a high-quality part. Most cars have at least 2 oxygen sensors, one before the catalytic converter and one after, so make sure you identify the right one. Final tip: replacing a failing oxygen sensor can improve fuel economy, boost engine performance, and protect your emission system. It's a small fix that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other automotive repair tips to keep your car running smoothly.